Polishi De Silva with Teton Surgical Innovations, and today I will be walking you through how to properly lubricate our MLO 905, which is the 3-blade retractor frame for use in the XL3 MIS lateral lumbar surgical access system. The first group of lubrication points are the 3 pivoting areas. The second group are the 3 retraction knobs. This center retraction knob can adjust the center blade holder, which will show you how to lubricate as well. The third group are the 7 release levers. And the fourth group are the 3 attachment points. This lubrication process should be done after cleaning and before sterilization. I will be using the Miltech Spray Lube from Integra, but we recommend using any steam-permeable, water-soluble instrument lubricant. To lubricate the 3 pivoting points, we're going to make sure that we get lubrication on 2 areas, the threads as well as the base. So I will show you when we spray the lubrication, make sure that it's hitting those 2 areas. Turn it over to the base. To work this lubricant in, we're going to thread all 3 of these pivoting knobs from one stop to the other. Once you've threaded these knobs, make sure that these knobs are at least 2 turns before the stop. To lubricate the 3 retraction knobs, you're going to turn this retractor and make sure that we're going to spray the lubricant to get access to this ridge point, and the center blade ridge point. So we're going to spray, spray, spray. To work the center blade back and forth, use this lever and move it up and down. To work the retraction back and forth, hold these 2 and move these in and out. To lubricate the 7 release levers, which are these 2 that hold your caudal and cephalic blades, these 2 that adjust the retraction mechanism, these 2 which are your retractor handles, and this lever which adjusts your center blade. The first area, you're going to spray all 7. And then make sure to work those areas by pushing on the levers. These 2 will be worked once you put the handles back in. The last 3 lubrication points are your 3 attachment points. In order to lubricate these, you're just going to spray 1, 2, and for this 3rd attachment point, make sure that you're hitting that little bump right there, which comes into contact when the blade is locked.